God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So we're about to, alright, turn this off. Like, did I say that? We're about to do laundry today. I have to wash my daughter's stuff. We're gonna make her breakfast. We're gonna make iced coffee. We're gonna do, did I say laundry? Yeah, we're gonna do all of the stuff, but y'all gonna spend the day with me. I needed something to do today. It is currently 11:20 in the morning and it is March 2nd. I have class today, so I gotta do things early. I have to cook spaghettis. I don't know if I'm gonna add that in this video. I might. We don't know. My wide angle lens comes today. I'm hyped. Off rip. What I'm doing now? Putting these away. I'm gonna also give her one of these chocolate milks for the first time. She drinks regular milk now, but I want to try chocolate and see if she likes it. Honestly, I don't know what to eat. I kind of don't want to eat nothing and just want to make coffee. So while that's warming up, I'm gonna just make my drink now. So I'm gonna just put some condensed milk. We're gonna make a Vietnamese iced coffee. So it uses a lot of condensed milk. It doesn't use milk, but sometimes I like to put milk because I just can't. I like that much. And we about to take y'all. We about to take y'all with me. Alright, so hopefully my iPad case comes today. I ordered a iPad case with a keyboard for school so I could use it as an actual laptop. So we'll see. But I'm gonna use Alticio. One Alticio and I'm gonna use Alticio and Bianco Piccolo. So yeah, we're just waiting for it to warm up. It's not even gonna show y'all because it's showing me. I'm about to say what's wrong with my machine. Don't play with me. Do these eggs now. I made her some little eggs with cheese. Scrambled eggs with cheese. Put up chocolate milk. I gotta put her on the high seat. Let's go get my shot. I think I am gonna add milk. I'm not gonna front. Cause it's only a teeny bit of coffee. Look at this little bit. Some milk. It's decent or whatever. Eat. Oh, look. I'm gonna give her a little later because if I give her now, she's gonna want to body the whole thing. She did that to some juice yesterday. I gave her juice for the, well, you could say first time. And she bodied. We're gonna see if she like it. Yeah, drink. Don't grab, drink, because I know you. Alright, here. Drink. See, why you squeezed it? That's why I didn't want to give it to you. This girl's too much. You like it? Let's put it in her other cup because she's not doing it right. Let's see if you see a difference. Definitely. This thing be bugging out. Hey guys, so finally I have the wide angle lens now, so yeah, better footage, because I don't like when it's too close to me. And it also came with a screen protector. I did not know that, so that's a plus right there. So now I just gotta, I'm pretty much building on this, I was about to say iPad, on this camera. So I'm still waiting on my case. It covers like the whole thing, but I do want the silicone case as well, and I also want the magnet to go in the car so I can vlog in the car. And then one more thing is this string. I want to get like a girly one. I still don't know what case I want, like the silicone. I think I want like a black one with a design on it, because everybody got pink. Like the pink one is cute too. I'll probably still get it in the future, but right now I think I want a black one. If they had brown, I would definitely get brown. But yeah, but I'm about to put her to sleep. I just put her clothes to wash, and then yeah, I'm about to just edit a little bit and then probably do some work, and then after that I'll get back to you, I guess. I don't know, but I am gonna charge my camera a little bit just to keep it fully charged. It's charged halfway, well, more than half, but y'all get what I'm saying. But I'm gonna see y'all later. I'm gonna call y'all back, and you better pick up. Alright y'all, so we're gonna make spaghettis with ground beef. And y'all gonna watch me. I'm not gonna record the whole process, but yeah, I get it. I'm letting the water boil right now. Alright, so the spaghettis are done. I gotta stir it more, but I gotta do the garlic bread now. So I put onion, garlic powder, adobo. What else? Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to go to school. I start class in like 30 minutes. It's 5:09. Well, I start at 5:45, but you get it. But I'm gonna just go like this. I was gonna wear a sweater underneath, but I'm gonna be in the car anyways. I'm gonna just take the car and then get out and go to school. So, but yeah, I'll wear this in a minute. I don't know, I'm still thinking maybe I will wear a sweater. I don't know, but I got these mom jeans on. Y'all can see them really. My hair, I'm gonna fix it. I got this perfume on, Jessica Simpson, Fancy Love. Baby, when I tell you you need this, stop playing. You need it. Let's do that. I'm thinking about doing my hair a little higher rather than low. Brush. Don't act up. It's gonna stay just like that. Give me that. I guess. Alright, it's time to go. Hey guys, I'm back home from class. So yeah, today I had computer class. What did I do last on camera? I don't even remember, but I had computer class. I just got home a little while ago. So yeah, I'm about to eat and just chill for the rest of the day. That's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not sure if this video is long enough, but hopefully it'll do, okay? I don't want to make the video too long, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all in my next video.